everybody, we are outside on a beautiful 30-degree day in Detroit, Michigan, and we are going to start doing some of the super exciting part of this bus, which is going to be all the siding and interior. I'm thinking I'm going to start with the bathroom because that's probably going to be the tightest and one of the trickiest places to do, and then from there we'll go and work our way around and see what we can get done. But I'll show you some of the materials we have just to get started. So for the bathroom, we have this opaque white plastic. You can see through it, so it'll help keep the bathroom light when the sun's out, so you'll be able to see while you're working in there. For the other walls in the bathroom, we're doing corrugated galvanized steel. This stuff is pretty corrosion resistant. That's what galvanization does. So this will be this would look pretty good in there. For the ceiling, we've got this wood pattern paneling, and then for the walls we've got this kind of stained white wood paneling. So that all is going to go in little by little, and we'll start right away. Okay, so I wanted to give you a quick update of where we're at so far. Plastic's in on the sides here, which is pretty cool. It's nice and transparent, so like you can see some light comes through. We've got the far wall done. We got the ceiling with our light mounted. We have the back wall done, and we have most of the front wall done. So some idiot, who knows who, decided to design the bathroom a little bit wider than they sell these corrugated steel things. So I'm going to make a little piece to go here and wrap around the corner, which the wood will cover on the outside, and same here, will come around the back and around the corner to there, and the wood will cover that as well. So I got to cut a few more pieces in here, but once those are done, this thing should be pretty much ready to button up from a fit and finish perspective. A few more things to do, you know, obviously cover this guy up, and then we'll run the shower hose through here too. And then we should be good to go, and the shower will be pretty much done. We gotta find a sliding door still. Okay, so we got the bathroom all done. You can see lots of reflective materials for the light, which is great. You'll be able to see pretty well in there. It's just about 6'2" right here because my head just touches. So it'd be perfect for pretty much everyone unless you're in the NBA. Otherwise, like you can see, pretty good. Probably have a few gaps. We're gonna go around the caulk all the bottom and stuff like that when we get closer to done. And inside all these gaps, we'll put probably little spurts of great stuff or something like that, and then cover this all so it looks nice and is waterproof. But it also left all these windows open, so you can open them when you're in the shower, let it vent out. Same for the back one there too.